Hey CC fam, it's your girl CCLV Christina, and this is my winter essentials video where I'll be giving my favorites and tips to keep you fabulous and fashionable, because you don't have to compromise your style just because we got snow on the ground. So if you are not legit CC fam, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. Make a ding so you won't miss a thing. Okay, let's get started. My first tip is going to be a trench coat. Can y'all see it? So yes, nothing is more stylish and comfortable than a vibrant trench coat or fur coat, whatever your preference is. I cannot live without a good old trench coat. Reminds me of that low down dirty shame. But yes, first on my list is a trench coat. So my next essential is lipstick. And yes, this is my lipstick bag. But this one is the Chocolate Cherries by Too Faced. So I'm gonna put that on right now. So yes, I love a vampy dark lip in the winter and fall. So also this dose of colors is called Corset. That's like my go-to. It's kind of like a maroon metallic cranberry. I love that by them. And Kayor, it's called Sex. But it's like a very vampy burgundy. If you like Hot Drama by MAC, you're just gonna be over the moon and back over Sex by Kayor. So go back to my birthday lookbook. You'll see how it looks. But these are like my 3 essential things that the colors I must have for the winter. My next go-to, gloves, honey. Now I got these at Forever 21 for about $10. But yes, yeah, when you driving and heating up your car, whew, I cannot tell you how many times this glove has saved the day when touching my steering wheel and it's super icy cold. This has been a lifesaver. So don't overlook that. That can help keep your immune system safe with wearing your scarves and gloves and things like that. So, hair gloves. Next essential is going to be a watch, and this is a Michael Kors watch, and it has the emerald cut diamond around the face and just a big old silver band. So Miss CCLV Christina loves a good old timepiece, honey, and probably won't go out the house without it. So for this winter, this has been my go-to. When I go see my mom, Christmas, Thanksgiving, I saw myself with this watch. So, so that's my next essential for the winter. I noticed that I kind of came back to it. I migrated back to this. And this is the signature Kim Kardashian fragrance. This is her first fragrance. And it's a great wintry musk. Paris Hilton has one called Tease, but this is Kim K's take on it. And it has a nice, very seductive but flirty smell to it. So it's very befitting for the winter. So this is my must-have perfume for the winter. Wool floppy hats. Like, I love it all year round. But especially now, especially when I don't feel like dressing up, you can pick little pieces to amp the ante in your outfit. So I got a black one. You could just do it so many ways, whether you're going to church or you just going to an event. It's definitely a statement piece. You have to be a bold person. And if you watched my Fashion Friday last week, you saw this hat, and I absolutely love it. Like a cute pinky mauve hat. It's so cute. Yes, honey, yes. Yes. Yeah, these are my go-tos for the fall. Like, I was so cute Christmas. But yes, a floppy hat is a go for me. Almond and vanilla body butter and the oil by Bath and Body Works. I really have been gravitating towards this because it has a very soft, neutral. If you like Jergens and Jergens, like that cherry, it's going to give you a little tease of that, but it doesn't have the cherry smell in it. So I like a good almond smell. It's very neutral. It don't bother nobody. I can wear it in the beginning of the day, or if I'm going to bed and I shower, I can lather in the body butter and the oil and feel wonderful just the same. So this is my next winter go. What's winter without some metallic, honey? So yes, if you looked at my retro metallics from MAC review, lip book or review, you saw this coat. Yes, this is everything. I scored this at It's Fashion, and I think it was like $13. So yes, this is my go-to leather metallic coat. It's very girly, very prissy and cute. It has some silver in it too, so I really like that. But this is my next go-to for the winter. Now, what is winter without a good old signature leather coat, right? So this is like one of my favorite leather coats. It's got cute old poofy prissy sleeves. It has like some cinching in the quilt or the side of the coat. But let me try it on, because holding it on this hanger, you might not be able to see it. See what I'm talking about? Yes! So this is so cute. You gotta flip your hair out. You gotta flip your hair out. You're gonna look bald headed. But this is my favorite leather coat that I got so far. So yeah, if you saw my Fashion Friday last week, I've been wearing these. Oh, they are so cute. So they're like, the sock is suede. It's the sock material up top. I love these oh so much. So these are my go-to shoe. And let's see, I have these. Let me see, let me put these to the back. These shoes here, they are Jessica Simpson's. So you can demi down an outfit, or zhuzh it up, or zhuzh up your outfit, have your dress on with these, or you can wear these with some jeans and a cute top and keep it pushing. It depends on your zhuzh. But I like that they're like a nude shoe, but they give a metallic or iridescent overtone. So I really like these. And these two are my go-to shoes so far for this. It's kind of like my signature. And I get that from Coming to America. And I've always loved to dress up my outfits with a fur sash. So yes. Yes. So you can just drape it. You can wear this with a dress. You can wear this with a blazer and some slacks. You can do so much with a fur sash and wear it so many different ways. And it just adds personality without having to open your mouth. Your presence is known with your style. So this is my next winter go-to. Love it so much. I scored this for $10 at TJ Maxx. Yes! And it's so cute. Got a little zipper in the back, and it's so spacious. It fits so much stuff inside. The way I travel, I put my lip bag, my keys, cell phone, camera. Like, it's very spacious. And this is my kind of bag, medium, not too small, not too big, and a top handle. Yes, that is signature CCLVCHRISTINA. So I like this, and it's like a burgundy wine color. So that's good for the fall. And then this purse. If you watched my Dukes bag review, then you saw this purse. And this is an auto bag, but it is available at dsw.com, Designer Shoe Warehouse. And I like a good leather solid black bag. And This one's a little bit bigger than the solid one. I think it's called Grewald at the outerwear.com site. This was $54. The current one is a little bit smaller, like that Chanel petite size boy bag. So yes, I love a good piece. It's just enough juice. It has a gold chain, so if you want to wear it long, you can. Or if you want to wear it as a clutch, you can. It's leather. It got the little khaki with the gold hardware intertwined and white, and that is completely CCLVCHRISTINA's color scheme, is a good old solid white and black. So these are my go-to winter purses. I can wear this with a lot, whether it's blue or khaki or cream or pink or just whatever. Black. So let me try this on because it will match with what I got on today. And bundling is essential in the winter. So yes, that is everything to me. Very cute, and it pulled my outfit together. And you can do that with this. It got pockets. Yes, my grandma wants this so bad. I'm gonna give it to her. You might as well utilize God's creation because we are purely in a winter zone. My God. But yes, always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.